Hey designer, Alex here, welcome to the channel and welcome to this new video series here on the channel, which is all about designer money. Over the next 52 weeks we are going to explore how can we as designers make money. We are going to explore some more obvious ways and some ways you probably didn't think about and probably didn't take into consideration. So every single Friday you can check back here on the channel. There's going to be a new way and a new method for you to make money as a designer. If you don't like this week's method, you can check back next week and make sure to hit that subscribe button not to miss out, and you can also turn on those bell notification icons so that you're going to get notified every Friday when I launch a new video. This is the insert for my course 101 ways to make money as a designer, and you can check it out by going to my membership. A link is going to be down in the description below. You can check out my membership for all of my courses, all of my design products, practice files for these YouTube videos, private access to the Facebook group, mentorship and much more. So if you're interested, make sure to check out. A link is going to be in the description below. Now without any further ado, let's check out this week's method. This week's method is Instagram jobs. Now this requires a lot of time, a lot of effort and a lot of work in order for it to work, but once it does, the benefits are massive. Basically what you're going to do is you can either do this by your personal name, so you can create a personal brand around yourself, or you can create a targeted business that's going to do this for you. So basically you can choose one of these two paths, and basically whichever path you choose, the language you are going to approach this is going to be quite different. Because if you want to portray yourself as a sort of fun and humorous person, then basically you're going to choose the personal branding page. Or if you want to portray yourself as a sort of grown-up business, then you're going to take a business page. But these are really not the right guidelines for you. What I would actually recommend you to do is be yourself. If you choose to do this via personal route, via personal branding, then portray who you really are. If you're funny, be funny. If you're not funny, don't be funny. Basically, people are going to tell. Don't be fake. Don't be too excited. If you're not too excited, just be yourself. You can see in all of my videos, I don't scream at you. I don't tell all of these jokes, because that's not who I really am. I'm this really docile and calm person, and that's how I come up on all of my videos. Perhaps even some boring a few times, but that's who I am. I cannot fake it. And this really shows on YouTube right here. It shows on courses, and it also shows on social media like Facebook and Instagram. Let's get back to Instagram. So what you're going to do is create targeted content and basically position it using the tags that you want to attract potential clients in. So let's say that you're creating website design. Once again, if you have a niche, that's fantastic, because you can position yourself in that niche using targeted tags for that particular niche. So I mentioned car business a few times before, but let's choose, for example, restaurant business. So let's say that you are targeting burger restaurants in your local area, in your country, or in the world anyway. You can position yourself using these particular burger tags on your work, and then you're going to attract all of these potential clients. But you notice that I use tags. Make sure to use targeted tags, because if you just put, for example, website design, UI design, UX design, you're going to attract designers who are not your clients. So therefore you have to use targeted tags. You need to make sure you approach this targeted and to have this targeted approach to attract potential clients, because designers are not your clients. Once again, they're going to simply like your work, perhaps leave a comment, and that's going to be that. But if you want to attract potential clients, you need to know where they are, what they are doing, which tags they are using. So make sure to explore their pages, make sure to see what they are posting, at which time they are posting it, and for example, how often do they post it. Let's say, is it once a day, once a week, twice a week? So make sure to organize your content around what they are doing and what they are posting. Also, when your page kicks off, you can be approached by different brands, so you can promote their posts in your feed, for example, or you can create targeted Instagram stories. You can do stuff like that. You can use affiliate marketing to put that into swipe up option in the stories, for example. You can put different links in bio in exchange for money. You can also work custom work for these different brands and put that on your Instagram page and profile. So there are many different ways for you to make money. And finally, you can just be approached by a potential client via direct message, which is what you really want to do when you get started with this. And then later on, when your page grows and when the awareness of your page grows, then you can really explore all of these different possible routes and see which one works for you. But basically, creating an Instagram profile and working on Instagram is really going to be beneficial for you in many different ways. So when you get started, explore which option is right fit for you, and then simply work on it and see how can you improve it to bring you even more work and even more potential to your page. Thank you for watching this video. I really hope you found some value in it. If you did, make sure to press that like button. I upload new videos here on the channel every single week. So if you like this one, make sure to subscribe and make sure to check back next Friday when I upload a new video here to the Designer Money playlist. If you don't like this one, check back next week and see if that one is a good fit for you. And also don't forget to check out my membership. Link is going to be down in the description below if you want to get all of my courses, all of my design products, all of my practice files for these YouTube videos, private access to the Facebook group, mentorship, and much, much more. So thank you once again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.